Hi guys, welcome to another video by School of RPA. In this video, we are going to talk about robots in retail banking. I am Abhinav Sabarwal and I am Principal Consultant and Trainer at School of RPA. And if you are new here, make sure to click subscribe button and get notified about your upcoming videos. As companies and organizations grow and their processes are becoming more complex, this is when RPA can help. Using software automation techniques, RPA can cut organizational costs and streamline resource-heavy operations. Consistency, speed, cost, and scalability are all the benefits of robotic process automation. While this progressive technology is applicable across many industries in various ways, retail banking and financial service sector in general can benefit greatly from its application given the heavy regulatory requirements of industry and its emphasis on process-based transactions. RPA has had a significant impact on retail banking in recent years. One example of this is customer onboarding. This can be demonstrated by the initial contact from generated for each product. A customer's profile must then be created across multiple internal systems, traditionally accomplished through manual entry by an employee who would then set up an individual account for the customer across various platforms. This is a time-heavy process and is very error-prone. RPA can instead create a virtual bot to carry out these tasks, cutting out the need for employees and eliminating the chance of human error. RPA has also proven useful in fighting fraud and malicious attacks. In 2018, RPA helped fight against fraudulent scams by shifting to large volumes of data such as transactions, customer profiles, and public databases of stolen information, making fraud identification easier and faster. While RPA offers several benefits to retail banks, it's not without its limitations. Importantly, banks must keep in mind that RPA software is incapable of dealing with tasks requiring comprehension or judgment. For RPA bot to work effectively, it should be applied to processes that are well understood and documented, but most importantly, are rule-based. This is most applicable in transactional, high in volume products, which are limited in complexity. Robotic process automation is becoming a hot topic in the world of finance. Many banks are becoming more serious about their RPA rollouts, and as a result, interest is spiking across the financial world. Evidence of this can be found in the rise in the number of financial services professionals learning about RPA. At School of RPA, RPA was among the most popular courses in the first quarter of 2020 and has gained popularity since. While RPA has clear value for those working in retail banking, we must be mindful of its rigidity. Unlike dynamic organizations, RPA is bound to be specific rules and requirements. This lack of flexibility makes it incapable of keeping up with ever-changing retail banking landscape. Two key technologies will play a significant role in the development of RPA over coming years: artificial intelligence and machine learning. While these two innovative technologies have historically benefited business through their back-end application to issues such as those mentioned above, it's interesting to note that customers also have something to gain. Advancement in RPA may transform the customer experience. It is already apparent how voice assistants are becoming increasingly common in banking industry. Used as a means of meeting customer needs, voice assistants can give basic guidance and improve satisfaction levels within the customer base through the elimination of frustrating call center experiences, long wait times, and high phone fees. One customer-facing application of these technologies is robo-advisors. These automated bots can help customers make financial decisions without the need to consult an expensive human financial advisor. A customer can supply basic information through an online questionnaire touching on the relevant areas, and the robo-advisor will then run their data through an algorithm and generate specific recommendations. To conclude, we can say that the customer facing developments are likely to continue. From business and customer standpoint, there could be an increasing shift in the world of retail banking over the next few years. Guys, thank you for watching my video. And if you are interested in learning RPA, and especially if you are a finance professional, I would highly recommend that you learn RPA. And give us a call today to understand how, if you are a finance professional, how learning RPA can benefit you. It doesn't matter where in India or abroad you are, we have online instructor-led training. If you think your schedule is unpredictable, no worries. We have flexible timing that can be adjusted as per your convenience. If you are from a non-technical background, if you are a banker, if you are from a finance background, no worries. We have a courses for you too. And if you are on a older side, no worries. We have a RPA courses for senior managers too. Do subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to watch our upcoming videos. Thank you.